The Bajaj RE Compact 2026 continues to represent one of the most practical and affordable urban mobility solutions in the world. Designed primarily for crowded city streets and developing markets, this small three-wheeler focuses on efficiency, maneuverability, and low operating costs. Its compact footprint allows it to slip through traffic with ease, making it a favorite for short-distance passenger transport and last-mile connectivity. Visually, the 2026 model carries a refreshed design that looks more modern while staying true to its utilitarian roots. The front fascia is slightly sharper, with updated headlamp styling and a redesigned windscreen area that improves visibility for the driver. Despite its small size, the vehicle maintains a sturdy stance, and its tall roofline ensures enough headroom for passengers. Under the hood, the Bajaj RE Compact is powered by a small yet efficient single-cylinder engine, tuned for city duty rather than speed. The engine delivers smooth low-end torque, which is exactly what's needed for stop-and-go traffic. Fuel efficiency remains one of its strongest selling points, helping drivers maximize daily earnings while keeping running costs extremely low. The transmission is simple and reliable, designed for ease of use even for first-time drivers. Gear shifts are light, and the clutch action is forgiving, which reduces fatigue during long hours on the road. The tight turning radius is another highlight, allowing the RE Compact to navigate narrow streets and crowded marketplaces effortlessly. Ride quality has seen incremental improvements in the 2026 edition. The suspension setup is tuned to handle rough urban roads, potholes, and uneven surfaces better than before. While it's still a basic three-wheeler, passengers will notice reduced vibrations and slightly better cushioning compared to older versions. Inside, the cabin remains minimalistic but functional. The driver's area features a straightforward instrument cluster with essential information such as speed, fuel level, and warning indicators. Storage spaces for small items have been thoughtfully integrated, and the seating position offers a commanding view of the road. Passenger comfort is surprisingly decent for such a compact vehicle. The rear bench can accommodate multiple passengers for short trips, and the wide side openings make entry and exit easy. Improved seat padding and better ventilation in the 2026 model make daily commutes a bit more pleasant, especially in hot climates. Safety features are basic but practical for the segment. The strong tubular frame provides structural rigidity, and improved braking performance adds more confidence in city traffic. Enhanced lighting and reflective elements also help improve visibility at night, which is crucial for vehicles that operate long hours. Maintenance is where the Bajaj RE Compact truly shines. Spare parts are affordable and widely available, and the mechanical layout is simple enough for easy repairs. This reliability and low cost of ownership make it an excellent choice for drivers who depend on their vehicle as a primary source of income. Overall, the Bajaj RE Compact 2026 stays true to its purpose: affordable, efficient, and dependable urban transport. It may not offer luxury or advanced technology, but it delivers exactly what its target market needs. For city mobility, last-mile transport, and small business use, it remains one of the smartest and most economical choices available.